Get over your broken heart with these 7 new cognitions that I'm going to reveal to you. You will never suffer from a broken heart again if you make these changes and have a cognitive shift. If you are already a spiritual alchemist or you're now awakening to your own divinity, welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you deep insights on how to get over a broken heart when someone you love is plucked out of your life. Before I get started, I want to thank my new subscriber, Sundar Lee. He is the one who requested that I make a video on this particular topic, how to get over a broken heart. Well, Sundar, I hope you put these new cognitions that I'm going to share with you into practice, because if you do, you'll never again have to suffer a broken heart, because only love, compassion, bliss is going to ooze out of your heart. Guys, I make these videos for all of you, all my subscribers. So if there is any particular topic that you would like me to speak on, then do leave a comment and I will definitely tackle it. Now, I want to assure you that I pretty much can speak on any subject under the sun. Now, that was a joke. Maybe not. Let's carry on. We're going through the Great Resignation. Tons of people are leaving their jobs every single day. Likewise, countless couples are also calling it quits. And it's kind of baffling, why are so many people breaking up? And also, why are so many people leaving their jobs? So, if you've ever had your heart ripped out of your chest, stomped on, then you would want to stick around to the end of this video. The number one thing that you need to understand is that no one can make you happy. Only you can make you happy, because it is not someone else's job to make you happy. So your bliss, your joy, your peace is your responsibility, not someone else's. In the reality, no one can add anything to you. Likewise, no one can take anything away from you. If you believe they can, then that is delusion. So from this moment, make a decision to always radiate peace, bliss, joy, happiness. Number 2, you create your reality. Realize this truth and look inwards. See all the reasons why you created this breakup. Write all the answers down. Those are the things that you need to work on. It could be fear, anger, jealousy, whatever it is. Those are your blind spots that you need to start working on. Take responsibility for everything that happened, even if you feel it wasn't your fault. Forgive yourself and forgive the other person. The key here is forgiveness and taking responsibility. Cool the other person and clear the air. It's never a good thing to end any relationship on a bad foot, no matter what happened. So take the initiative, cool, and clear the air. Release all the negativity of that relationship. Release all the karma to be transmuted into love. You may have a question, how do I do that? All you need to do is to say out loud, I am releasing all the negativity, all the karma from my relationship with so and so. I'm releasing everything to the cosmos to be transmuted into love. As long as you feel pain and suffering inside, keep on releasing, transmuting, and asking the cosmos to help you. Number 5, be kind to your own heart. Acknowledge its existence. Tell it as often as possible how much you love it, and ask it to heal itself. It is a living energy, your living energy. Go through all your past relationships that are still painful and release, transmute all of that negativity into love. Now the relationship could have been with a parent, a friend, a teacher, whoever it may have been with. Release, transmute all of your relationships and liberate yourself. The final cognitive shift for today is start living in your heart center. You may have a question, how do I live in my heart center? How do I do that? I will explain to you. Bring your awareness to your heart chakra and keep it there. Sometimes it may slip down to the lower chakras, and that's when you'll start worrying. If you notice that you're starting to worry, or you're having panic attacks or any negative emotions, then that is an indication that you're not in your heart center. So again, bring your awareness to your heart center and keep your awareness in that center. Guys, if you haven't seen my other videos, I highly recommend you check them out. They are a wealth of information. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I appreciate your support, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Thank you so much. Namaste.